During this period, a bus replacement service will be in operation from Redhill towards Coulston, South Merstham and then on towards Pearl. For further information regarding the change to train times at the Christmas and New Year period, please see station posters or available contact the member station staff. Thank you.
The train now approaching platform 2 is the 13:45 Southern service to Southampton Central. This train is the service from Brighton.
Accommodation or toilet facilities. Thank you.
Platform 1 is the 13:53 Southern service to Brighton. This train is the service from Portsmouth Harbour.
Will operate as Saturday service with some revisions due to planned engineering work. Ernst Company are mainly operating a revised Saturday service which service will be in operation from Redhill towards Coulston, South Merstham and then on towards Pearl. For further information regarding the change to train times at the Christmas and New Year period, please see station posters or available contact the member station staff. Thank you.
The train now approaching platform 2 is the 14:03 Southern service to Portsmouth Harbour.